Expert readers notice when the author makes interesting comparisons, and they use their background knowledge to think about why he chose that comparison. For example, if I read that a line of cars stuck in traffic were like ants crawling up a hill, I would compare both of those images in my mind. There are some similarities. I would think about how these cars are all moving in a line and moving slowly. I know from being outside, I've seen ants moving in lines too. Imagining the ants helps me understand how the cars stuck in traffic might have looked. As you read chapters 7, 8, and 9, you're going to be looking for some comparisons that the author makes in the book Frindle.